Hello kids, let's learn fruits and vegetables. Are you ready? These are apples. Apples are sweet and crunchy. These are strawberries. Strawberries are red and sweet. These are pumpkins. Pumpkins are big and orange. These are cucumbers. Cucumbers are green and fresh. These are eggplants. Eggplants are purple vegetables. These are grapes. Grapes grow in small bunches. These are bananas. Bananas are yellow and sweet. These are carrots. Carrots help us see better. These are watermelons. Watermelons are big and juicy. These are tomatoes. Tomatoes are red and tasty. This is broccoli. Broccoli is good for our body. These are pears. Pears are sweet and soft. Let's say them again. Apples, strawberries, pumpkins, cucumbers, eggplants, grapes, bananas, carrots, watermelons, tomatoes, broccoli, pears. Great job.